Hello, my name is Yannis. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to download, install and use OBS in order to record your screen, and basically I will also show you how to upload this video of yours into your YouTube channel. To get started, go to Google and type OBS, then click on download, then click on Windows or Apple or Linux if you are on Linux. So my concentration on this video tutorial is based on Windows. So once you click on the Windows icon, you scroll down and you click on the download installer and click save. So once you have downloaded the installer, just give some time until the installer is fully downloaded. I'm using Firefox. So if you're using Google Chrome or Edge, the installer will be here somewhere at the bottom or within your download folder. So I'm just going to click here to open the download folder, and I'm just going to double click and go through the installation process. So right click and select open. Let's click yes. Let's follow the wizard. So next, and click finished. Okay, so let's minimize this window now and this window. And here you have OBS Studio. Optimized for streaming, that's okay. Let's click next. Let's click next. Services, drop down the list and put YouTube, RTMP. Here you could put your YouTube stream key, or you can actually get stream key and basically put your credentials for your Google YouTube account. I'm not going to do this because I don't want to stream. Okay, you can cancel this now. Alright, so this is OBS. So what do we need to do here? We need to add a scene. So click add. You can create, we already have one scene. Let's put scene 2, and then we can actually delete this scene here, the default scene. It's up to you, or you can leave it as it is. So here the source, I'm just going to click here, and you have a number of different options here. In this case we need to display the captcha. Display captcha will leave the default name. Let's click OK and click OK again. And we also want, if we click on the plus icon, we also want to record our audio, and we'll leave it as default audio capture and click OK. And let's see if there's anything else that we could actually add. Input capture, so if you want to include your microphone, yeah, let's use that. And let's click OK and OK again. So we have these three inputs here. Is there anything else? No, for the meantime we don't want to add anything else. If you want to put your camera as well, your webcam, so you can actually, while you're demonstrating your video, you could actually have your webcam basically showing you, maybe in the top corner. It's up to you. I'm not going to add this for now. So as you can see, my audio is fully working because as I speak, the audio mixer is basically going up and down. So everything works fine as expected, and now what I need to do is basically go to my video game. So I'm just going to go to the World Gamer X. Let's accept that. And I'm just going to pick up one of the games from the YMCA my students have done. Let's use Roberts here. Let's click here to play. Let's play. Okay, let's go back. So the game started. I can go now to my OBS, and here I can actually start recording. So I'm going to minimize this. Okay, so this shows that Okay, this game works when it comes to the enemy. Oops, I'm rubies now. Let's kill this guy. Okay, so this video now shows that the enemy will die. And if I go here, let's go to the game over screen. Okay, let's try again. So I've got no more lives left. Okay. Okay, that's brilliant. Alright. Okay, and then you can actually go back to play again the game. Alright, so I'm just gonna click there and I'm just gonna stop recording now. And here, if I minimize this now, I could go to my Explorer window, click on videos, and the video just recorded is here. So if I press play, so I'm going to minimize this. As you can hear my voice. Okay. So now we know that the video is recorded successfully. We can go now to, I'm just going to go to my YouTube channel. Okay, once you have logged on successful to your Gmail account and to your YouTube account, you can click on this icon here, click upload video. Click here on this link, on this icon, go to your videos and basically double click to select your video. Put clear details of your video and then click next. I don't want to monetize this video. Click next. Click next. And here for the option, unless you're comfortable enough to basically put it as public, that's okay. If you're a bit shy and you don't want other people to see this video, you could actually click on list it. Click save and click close. Then you will be able to see the video here uploading. And what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to click on this video here. I'm going to copy the URL and you need to basically put the URL into a Word document, into your report, or to wherever, into your email if you would like to share this URL, this video with other people. Okay, for example, if you need other people to give you some feedback on your video, you could put this on the email. And I'm just gonna go back here, click there and go to the video. As you can see, the video now is uploaded onto YouTube. Just gonna type here snipping tool and I'm gonna take a screenshot of this so you can have this for your report, for your presentation. You can save the picture or you can copy the picture and paste the picture here on your report or your presentation for evidence. So if you are my student, you will need to ask at least 3 people to give you feedback for your video game. In this case, once they gave you the feedback, you will have the comments here. Again, you can go to the snipping tool, click new, and then basically create a screenshot of the feedback that you have received. You paste this into your presentation or into your report, and this will provide enough evidence for you to basically have completed successfully a video game project where people can actually hear the sounds, where people can actually see that the game is fully functional and is fully working. So you have the score, you have the collectibles, you have the lives, etc., etc. Okay, hope you've learned something new today. I hope you will use these new skills of yours to show professionalism and hard work. Thanks. Bye for now.